Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Poang cushion is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for IKEA's iconic Poang chair, promising renewed comfort and style. This video will dive deep into what makes a great replacement cushion, exploring factors like material, thickness, durability, and overall value, helping you choose the perfect one to revitalize your beloved chair and make it feel brand new again, all while fitting your budget and personal preferences. Number 5. Vepping Lude Poang Chair Cover. Is your IKEA Poang armchair looking a little tired? This replacement cover will give it a fresh, vibrant update. It's easy to put on and will make your chair look brand new. Make sure you select the correct cushion design for your chair. Check the last image to see the differences between the three designs. If you're unsure, send us a picture of your chair. It's made from durable, high-quality materials. Choose from 4 luxurious fabrics: cotton, polyester, a blend of polyester, cotton, and rayon, or velvet. This cover is completely machine washable, making it simple to keep your chair looking its best. Just toss it in the wash and enjoy a fresh, clean cover. Please note that this is a fabric cover only, the cushion is not included. It's designed to fit your existing IKEA Poang chair cushion. Transform your favorite chair with this stylish and easy-to-use replacement cover. Order yours today and enjoy a renewed sense of comfort and style. What we like? It offers a variety of colors to match your style and is made from durable polyester. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that's easy to clean, this is a great choice. This cover is perfect for those who want to refresh their chair's look without breaking the bank. What people say? Perfect fit and easy to put on over all the cushion. It fits in like a pillowcase all in one piece with the zipper in the back. There is no need to cut it or do any alterations at all. The material is of great quality. It is so nice. Shade is light cyan. Size 3. It is gorgeous. Well made, fits perfect. Makes my old Poang chair look new again. The cover fits perfect and the material is nice and good quality. The material is not too thick, but not flimsy either. Number 4. Duable Poang Chair Cover. This custom-made slipcover is designed to perfectly fit your IKEA Poang armchair, giving it a refreshed look. It's made from high-quality materials for lasting comfort and style. Experience the luxurious feel of the soft polyester flax fabric. It's durable and easy to maintain, ensuring your cover stays beautiful for years to come. This cover fits snugly, providing a tailored look. It also includes a comfortable headrest cushion for added support and relaxation. It's important to note that this cover is only compatible with the IKEA Poang armchair with an attached head cushion. It won't fit other chair models. Please be aware that the color you see on your screen might slightly differ from the actual product due to variations in lighting and display settings. This slipcover is specifically designed for the IKEA Poang chair with an attached headrest. It will not fit the IKEA Pello chair or Poang chairs with a separate headrest cushion. What we like? It comes with a headrest cushion for extra comfort and is custom-made to fit perfectly. If you value comfort and a precise fit, this is the one for you. This is ideal if you want a snug fit and added head support. What people say? This worked well for my chair. Love the new color. Perfect fit for the IKEA chair. Well made, nice looks, easy to clean. These come from China most likely, so shipping takes forever. However, the quality met my expectations, as it fit the full-sized Poang chair cushion, the last one I bought from someone else, the shortened backrest area. The material feels like polyester, but on the plus side it's easy to clean with a lint roller because of this, unlike cotton. Number 3. IKEA Poang Chair Cover. This replacement cover is perfect for your IKEA Poang armchair. It's designed to fit snugly and give your chair a fresh new look. It only fits Poang chairs with an attached head cushion. Please check your chair before ordering to ensure compatibility. This cover fits beautifully and includes a comfortable headrest cushion. You'll enjoy the renewed comfort and style. It's specifically designed for the IKEA Poang armchair. Please note that the chair itself is not included. This slipcover is compatible with the Poang chair, but not the Pello chair. Make sure you order the correct one for your furniture. The color you see on your screen might vary slightly from the actual product due to differences in lighting and display settings. What we like? It includes a headrest cushion and is made from soft cotton. If you prioritize comfort and a classic look, this is a great option. This is perfect for those who prefer a natural feel and a sophisticated color. What people say. These were a great fit. In addition, the fabric and color were amazing. These are very nice. They fit perfectly with ease. The material is very soft and 100% cotton. This is a good, sturdy replacement cover for an old, 25 years, Poang chair. It fit well with the original foam inserts. Number 2. IKEA Poang Faux Leather Cover. This custom-made cover is perfect for your IKEA Poang armchair, giving it a fresh, new look. It's made of high-quality faux leather and includes a headrest cushion. Experience the luxurious feel of this faux leather cover. It's designed for a perfect fit and long-lasting durability. This slipcover fits your Poang chair snugly and is easy to put on and take off. Enjoy a renewed look for your favorite chair. It comes complete with a matching headrest cushion for ultimate comfort and style. The cover is designed to work only with Poang chairs that have an attached headrest. Please ensure your Poang chair has an attached headrest cushion. It won't fit chairs with a separate headrest. Also, it's designed for the Poang chair only, not the pillow chair. The color you see on your screen may vary slightly from the actual product due to differences in lighting and screen settings. What we like. It's made from high-quality faux leather for a luxurious look and feel, and includes a headrest cushion. If you want a stylish and durable cover, this is the perfect choice. This is ideal for those who want a modern and long-lasting solution. What people say. Transferred 2 foam pads from the old cloth cover and it fit great. The headrest comes with sewn-in insulation that is equivalent to what was in the cloth cover. Quality is very good and dirt and cat hair wipe off easily. The chair cover fits perfectly. These slipcovers were easy to apply after slipping the foam rubber cushions into a plastic bag and then into the covers. They really don't look like leather, but they are not unattractive and much easier to clean than cloth covers. I don't think I'll ever need to do more than to wipe them down, unlike their cloth predecessors. Number 1. IKEA Poang Footstool Cover. This custom-made cover perfectly fits your IKEA Poang chair's ottoman. It's made of high-quality PU leather for a durable and stylish look. We've rigorously tested it to ensure a snug and lasting fit on your Poang footstool. It's designed to enhance your existing ottoman. Experience the luxurious feel of PU leather. Please note, it's a cover only, the inner filling is not included. The color you see on your screen might slightly vary from the actual product due to differences in lighting and display settings. You'll receive a stylish and durable PU leather slipcover for your Poang footstool. The footstool itself is not included. This cover is made from high-quality PU leather, not genuine leather. PU leather offers a great balance of durability and affordability. What we like. It's made from durable PU. What people say. Fit just as good as the original from IKEA. The covers are just perfect. What a change. This was a perfect replacement for the one that I needed to replace. It was easy to slip on and looks great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.